Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Now, look at the title in front of you. Sir P came out and said, this guy right here, Sir P said a youth here, Tafari Bingi Beckham, and a youth named Sus. Them work with Klansman. Them were some big time player in the Jamaica underground network. Sir P said Bingi and Sus work closely, and they were Bench and Batty, and them come from Homestead in a Spanish town. Yo, he described them as impulsive, trigger happy, destructive, notorious, and are some of the most craziest 87s. Well, me, I call them 28s, and I'm going to explain to you guys what a 28 is, and then I'm going to come back and talk about this video Sir P do. Jamaica is filled with these 87s, like Sir P said. Me, I call them 28s, and I'm gonna explain 28s right now. Look at the screen in front of you. This is my graph explaining how I apply numbers to the Jamaican gangs them. And this is from a gang called the Numbers Gang out of South Africa, but I am applying it to Jamaica. Look at the screen. It said the 26 are responsible for gambling, smuggling, and wealth. The 28s are the warriors and responsible for fighting on the behalf of all three groups. The 27s are the guardian of the law and peacekeeper. Sir P also said, them youth we do the job them for Klansman, but the rest are so-called gang member them is reluctant to do. Alleged that them sent order to execute someone who disrespect him. This is black man now. Send an order to the group, to that crew here, Bingi and Sus, for go kill a man at Westmoreland, and then went and did the job and mashed the job. Sir P also said that Sus' notoriety was short-lived because them take him down. Now, when that happened, it leave the other half of the murderous door. So what Sir P said, kinda convoluted. However, Bingi and black man relationship get sour, cause him did borrow a gun and him no bring it back. You hear that? Him borrow a gun and him no bring it back. Sir P also said that the Don in the community in a Homestead was talking to Bingi and trying to get Bingi to work out the situation. But Sir P said Bingi became uncontrollable and killed somebody by the name of Wasi. No kidding. Them say as a result, them draft up a meeting and Bingi was supposed to show, but he was a no show. And then them say Bingy, this a youth now from Homestead, Sir P attack. Say boy him disrespect the Don, we did a try help him and tell the Don for go suck him mother. Now, when me listen to Sir P thing and him a talk about that youth here, that youth here straight me come poop. Yo, me don't know how them can be gang member. I say them around area and I do all of them thing here. Number one, him diss up the man them, that pum pum here, Bingy. Take with the man them blood clot gun. Kill somebody where you're not supposed to kill. Tell the next man go suck him mother the Don in the area. And then him think say him did that go live. You know see say the man them a madman. The man them a madman. But the most unbelievable thing with them so-called shatter do, it's crazy. And we gonna talk about it. Let's go. Let me tell you how me know say that youth are being gay and susa pussy and them don't know nothing about blood clot badness. On a pardon my language. Now, after him, Bingy do all of them thing there. Because the way how Jamaica work, you know. The man them with friend, the other set of man them just for kill you. And you there so I diss up some man and the man them say, yeah man, you have your back, but at the same time them I work with the opposite man them. Yo, it kinda crazy, it's like a quagmire. And a wicked dilemma. You know, like, you pick the best of the worst. That's how the situation is. Now, this idiot, cause this me want to talk about, me support the video of Sir P do, I'm glad Sir P bring it, so me can do my profiling. Now, him get a call from the man them, you know, black man them and some other set of man, the whole of them are linked. Figure all Harbour. And he was supposed to be a part of the job. So them send out a crew, apparently. That's all Spanish Town man them work, you know. That's another thing I want to talk about. When we notice about Spanish Town man them cool and them wicked. But them send out a death squad crew. Them send out 2 car load of man off for you. Cause I saw them get rid of Bulby. A 2 car load of man. But anyways, let's go back into this. This guy, Bingy, man them link him and say, yo, we have a job for you to mash. I want you to come with me because we have a job for mash. And a whole Harbour it there. According to Sir P, unbeknownst to him, a fee murder. Him really a go. So now, how stupid can somebody be? And them say them a bad man. But it really makes sense. Let me tell you why it makes sense. It makes sense because when you look on him age, in 2019 when him dead, he was only 22 years old. He died April 23rd, 2019. But he was only 23 years old. The man them a idiot. But them a bad man. The whole of them hungry, them not have no money. You can't do badness without money. Michael Leach in a bad man. Andrew Holiness a bad man. PJ, them man they a bad man. The whole of them smell bad. You understand? Boot Stewart, them man there. Matalan them. And them people there. A bad man. No, him a 22, you know. And say him a big timer. Him a the wickedest thing, you know. Come out of Homestead. And the man them trick him. Yeah man charge him. I go upon our works. And bust him skull. Now, to be fair to the video where Sir P do, him never really talk about Bingy and when him a go kill the Unruly Artiste. So I don't know if that is a switch and bait. Or maybe him have that for another time. But like me say, the biggest thing that strike me with the so-called bad man them is how broke them is, how pauperizing them is, where them get them big gun there from me see how them a flex, you know, see them all dead, call them licky. If I did me was Bingy, I me tell the Dan go suck him mother. Me now gonna away with none of uno. Me not even now go back at Homestead. But him run away from over black man them off go back in at Homestead. The man them know where him there, all sort of thing. Them a pray him, them a watch him, them a link him, them a talk to him. One set of man will say, yeah man, we not deal with black man them a pussy. Then next thing you know, them and black man a deal and I draw them and draw him out. 22 years old with him face bleach out. See him picture there? With him face bleach out and look like a living dead dog. And say him a bad man and say them a wicked man. Yo, the man them come in like cockroach. But them are some wicked that set a cockroach because them so deadly. Cause not more than cockroach want to crawl up on your food. They might have like a little disease, but many people are affected by a cockroach. But with them cockroach and them 28 and them 87, it's a big problem. Cause me not understand how him can think say him a go take away black man gun who's clansman and tell the other man them go suck their mother, this, that, whatever, and then think that he was gonna be able to grow old in Spanish Town, Homestead, Spanish Town. Totally sick and delusional. Don't know the art of badness, hungry badness, and motherfucking crazy. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to click on another video and to like, share and subscribe. But them so-called bad boy of Jamaica, yo, me nah lie, would have been killer boy anyhow me was black man from long time. Yo, he wouldn't even get a chance to go back at Homestead. Straight up. Cause you can't play with them young pussy ya. When you see them stay so, you have to get rid of them. Straight up, is them a go get rid of you. And at that him do that pick. And like Mr. Black man them, have them in the corner according to Sir P and then flip, and that's the problem with them. Yo, my name is Countryman. Let me know what you think about that video, Cause I just want to give my profile analysis of that boy Bingy and the situation. I'm out. Peace.